Hi, in this video I'll show a new feature that we have added for recording messages. So right now we have a number of different ways that we can fetch messages from your PI system whenever you are doing testing of it. So the original one we had was the one that's called EHE Agent Module. And in this one we would install a small SCA component with a module on your PI system that will enable us to save messages in the adapter chain. Obviously some customers do not want to install extra components and just want to use standard SAP functionality. So we've added the ability to use either the ESPLock Module, where we're using the logging module from SAP to add to your system, or the PI message log. So you're on the ICO level can see which message you want to save there. So you just go into the ICO configuration and say you want to save before and after mapping. And then it can fetch these messages and you can use them for testing and everything like that. And there was a patch released about May 2017 that allowed us to actually download these payloads from the message system. But obviously some customers is on a system earlier than that, so we had to use web scraping of the WebDynpro application. So that what that means is that it would open the message just like we have here. So we'll call the message app, go to the payloads tab, click on the download this, go to the message attribute, download the message attribute, then it will switch to the response mapping. It will download all the attributes and all the payloads, download the payload, and then it will add this into the test case. Obviously this is something that takes a little while, and it's not as efficient because there's a lot of requests going on in this process. But it is something that would help you fetch all test cases, all test data from your system, and enable you to actually get on with configuring and setting up testing. So it is nowhere the ideal solution, but it is something that works in a lot of scenarios. And yeah, if you have used this one as default, and when you run the test, so you can update here, you can then run the test configuration, that will then see if it works. If you don't have this web service, it will say, hey, go switch and use the other one. So that is the new feature that we've added, enabling you to test even though not everything else has been configured. So yes, I hope you like this. If you have any questions, do post them below. Thank you.